The First Alert Video Doorbell. It's a high-resolution video doorbell with built-in intelligence that helps keep an eye on everyday things and notifies you about events that matter. You can keep an eye on your home from anywhere by using our app, or simply watch for your delivery, all while lounging by the pool. You can even tap to say, "Hi, can you bring those around back?" The high-resolution camera captures images and sends alerts to your phone when it detects packages, vehicles, animals, or people, like when your kid is playing in the front yard. And if you only want alerts about certain areas of the property, you can customize the detection areas and select between people, packages, vehicles, and animals. Now you'll only get notifications when things happen in the areas that matter to you. Say you notice a package missing on the front porch. Well, the First Alert Video Doorbell stores video clips and lets you play back events anytime. So you'll see exactly when the little porch pirate knocked the package behind the azaleas. And with 3 viewing options, you choose the one that captures the best angle more clearly. Now, say there's a snowstorm and the outdoor temperatures drop. The doorbell keeps recording even when it's below freezing out. And how about when it's dark out and difficult to see? Well, the doorbell has night vision. So if it's dark and you hear a noise outside, you'll be able to see what's happening in color. And there's also the built-in spotlight and siren for lighting the path or warning intruders. Delivery guy? What are they doing here?
I've got your s'mores order.
Connect to the future of home. Get the First Alert Video Doorbell installed today. Hey, you! Scram! The First Alert Video Doorbell. Look after the things that matter. Anytime, from anywhere.